Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be walking you through the process of logging into a live CQG trading account on QTrader, and I'll also be showing you how to create yourself a free paper trading account. So first up, you'll want to be on the default homepage here. Now, by default, you may notice in the top left-hand corner, we do have quite a few buttons. Right now, you'll see the ones I have are Setup, Log On, Center, Fill Report, Order Position. Now these do change depending on whatever window you currently have active at a particular time. So you'll see if I just close out my DOM right there, I actually lose access to all of those buttons that I just previously mentioned. Now for example, we can open up a chart and you'll see how all these buttons also are reconfigured. So to actually log in to your live trading account, and keep in mind, there's actually two logins for this platform. One, the initial login, as you are prompted to do when you first open up the actual program file for QTrader. That's one set of credentials. The second set of credentials is what I'm about to show you, and those will be for your live CQG account. So whether you're configured through us as a broker or you're using another broker and are using CQG QTrader, just make sure that whoever does give you the credentials, that there are two sets, one for the platform and one for your data feed. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's focus back on the top left-hand corner. So as you can see, depending on what window you currently have up at a time, these buttons will be configured differently. So when trying to access either a free demo account that you'll create for yourself, as I'll show you in a second, or you want to log into your live trading account, you'll first need to head up to the top left-hand corner, click on Trade, and then choose from one of the following options here. You can easily open up just an order ticket here, and once you have up your order ticket, you'll notice we get these Setup, Log On, Log Off, Center, these different buttons again. The one we're going to want to focus on is Log On. So if you click on Log On, you'll see there's two options. You either have the option for a live account or for a demo account. The live account portion, this is where you're going to put in your live CQG trading credentials. So put in the CQG account that your FCM or your broker has provided you with, and this will connect you to your live CQG trading account. Just keep in mind that your trading account will have to be enabled for QTrader. It's not automatically enabled, so if you do try and attempt to log in here and you're actually enabled for another CQG platform, you won't be granted access. Your second option is demo here. Now for demo users, this is going to be your only order routing option. This is essentially a free paper trading account either way. Your other option is if you do have a live account here, instead of clicking on live account, you can just create yourself a demo within the platform. If you click OK, as you'll see, it's requesting demo logon credentials. This will pretty much just connect you to the demo server so you can paper trade or test out new methods, strategies, whatever the case may be. These orders will not be sent to the exchange and they'll be not be using live or real money. You can differentiate between the two servers here. If you are in the demo or the paper trading server, you'll notice an orange demo here highlighted in the top left. If you are on a live account, it should be green and it should say live or something along those lines. Either way, now we have the capability to place orders through any of the corresponding trading methods through this platform, the order entry windows. I'm not going to dive into that here. I'll show you in another video how to execute orders. But as you can see, now that we're connected to the demo server, we can just go ahead and place a buy limit here and boom. We're automatically filled. We got our limit filled there. And this, of course, is on the demo server. If you want, you can filter in your orders and positions window. I believe it does show you both your demo account or your live account under your account summary here. This is obviously a demo account. This is the only thing we have access to at this time. But as you can see, it is quite nice and it's all intuitive, all located in one central location, and it's very easy to use. So that's going to be a real quick video just on how to connect to the live trading server as well as create yourself a quote-unquote demo account on the paper trading servers. If you do have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section down below. or you can head over to our community forum and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have over there. For more future trading content, podcasts, tips, tricks, and much more, please subscribe to our channel. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And as always, thanks for watching.